This happens to your body when you eat instant noodles. The biggest problem these days is that people are replacing real food with fast food. Instant noodles are one of a popular choice for many, especially among college students because they're cheap, delicious, and easy to cook. The 80% of global instant noodle consumption are from Asia. China is on the top of the list that consumes 46.35 billion packages, followed by Indonesia with 12.64 billion, and Vietnam with 7.03 billion. And the USA ranks number 6 at 5.10 billion, which is not far behind. The thing most people don't realize is how harmful they can be to their health. Instant noodles are an unhealthy food that contains high levels of salt, fat, and carbohydrates, but are low in fiber and protein. The average instant noodle contains 600 milligrams of sodium, which is nearly half of the recommended daily intake, 1,200 milligrams. They also contain more than 10 grams of sugar, twice as much as the average cookie, which only has 5 grams. The high sodium content could lead to elevated blood pressure and other health problems. While the saturated fat can lead to obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Research published in Nutrition Research and Practice in 2017 has found that consuming instant noodles like ramen regularly may increase the risk of cardiometabolic risk factors like higher triglyceride levels and higher blood pressure. Furthermore, the instant noodles have got MSG in them, and MSG is a flavor enhancer used mostly in Chinese food, as well as in this case, noodles. While it tastes great, it also has some side effects besides enhancing the flavor. MSG is one of the major causes that lead to obesity, neurotoxic effects, metabolic disorders, and detrimental effects on the reproductive organs. However, if consumed moderately, the small amounts of MSG in instant noodles are unlikely to cause these side effects. In addition, they're hard to digest. The homemade ramen noodles get completely digested in 1 to 2 hours, but instant noodles take much longer than that. Instant noodles are very difficult for the body to digest, and your digestive system needs extra effort to break them down. In turn, this causes digestive problems such as constipation, bloating, and indigestion. Besides, most instant or cup noodles are packaged in packages that contain Bisphenol A or BPA. BPA can destroy your metabolism if it enters your body once they've been cooked in a cup using super hot water. After hearing about this, do you still want to eat instant noodles? If you care about your health, it's time that you should seriously get rid of the habit of eating instant noodles. Once or twice a month is okay if you're addicted, but once or more a week is a recipe for disaster.